3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. And 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14.